How to add music to Instagram notes. So first, what you have to do is just basically go to your app store or play store just to make sure that you have the updated version of your Instagram. Just go to the search bar, or if you're in Play Store, just basically search up Instagram. And once you search up Instagram, it will show you something like this. And if you don't have it updated, it will show you the update option. But yeah, I already have it updated, so I don't need to update it again. But yeah, you just need to make sure that you're on the latest and greatest version. But yeah, here as you can see, I'm on Instagram right now. What you need to do is just go to your DMs, and here as you can see, I'm on my DMs right now. What you need to do is just basically press on the option of your note. So here as you can see, if I press on it, I'll be able to see two options. First one is music and the second one is camera. Just press on the music option and you can select a majority of music, whatever you would like to play. But if you don't see this option, it must be some sort of glitch or you need to report to Instagram. So what you can do is just basically go to your profile and then press on these three horizontal lines on the top. Once you're here in the settings and activity area, just scroll down until you see the option of help. Just basically press on help option. And now it will show you many options, but you gotta press on report a problem. Here as you can see, it says go back and shake phone, but you just gotta go and report it. And once you scroll down here, it will show you report problem without shaking. Just basically press on that. And now just press don't include and continue. And now you just gotta explain and tell them that you aren't seeing the Instagram music feature and it's not showing for you. So just write something like that. Hey team Instagram, my music feature on my notes isn't showing up. Please fix that. And write something like that, and then just send. You can also send them a screenshot for that. But yeah, just tap for the screenshot and you could just basically show them that you're not getting that. So yeah, after that the problem would be fixed and you'll be able to see your Instagram music notes are fixed. Yeah, so this is actually it on how you can add music to your Instagram notes. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye, and that's it.